course you're gonna catch on fire.
Right?
Cool, dude.
Jump over it, jump over it, jump over it, jump over it.
Shut up.
Travis, jump over it.
I'll jump over it. I'm down. Go, Tristan, go, go. Aw, you wimp.
Alright, take the light out. Take the light out.
I can't.
No, because this is gonna be light enough.
I can't.
Oh my god. That's like burning
Stare
my
at it,
eyes.
stare at it, it's gonna take your cornea away.
I feel like I need to like bust
Jump it, jump
bust
it.
to this.
Why even nothing?
Right.
That's pretty
Is it safe if I jump over this, Travis?
Probably not.
Okay. You didn't set the other one off.
I know.
Is that it?
No.
Go,
You're
Tristan,
kidding,
go.
right?
Go, Tristan, go. Go, Tristan, go. Tristan, go.
Jump
Balls.
it,
You got jeans on. Oh.
Hey, no shoes.
Go, 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 go.
That's gonna
It's gonna rip my finger off. Second one?
Oh, that one's not
I'm
going
going.
off. I better get away.
Oh, I'll go. Oh, that's a winning one. That's dope. Oh, that's a bad one. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gonna be right. That was a really good one.
That was a good one. Jump both of them. Oh, what the fuck?
It's
Go, 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 go.
Oh my god. That's crazy. Oh, dude. It's like freaking high though.
Go, Tristan, go. What? Go.
It's moving, go.
Yeah. Those got Travis pretty bad. Let's go.
Jump over the video camera. Go, go, go. Oh, with the video camera? Ah, smoke in my face.
Go, someone go. Tristan.
Oh, there's like smoke in my nose.
Alright.
Why are you closing your ears? Oh, jeez, that.
Oh my god, dude.
Take the cornea away.
Look at the freaking sick shadow.
Alright. Here's the big mama. I have no idea how loud that's gonna be.
We. Not impressive. Oh!
Size of a frag grenade. Tristan, get away from there.
Why?
Ah.
Oh, there it goes.
Down.
I'm gonna jump over it. Go. That doesn't seem safe.
Yeah, it's like it's gonna like flare up.
It's the devil.
That's freaking S. Dude, this is gonna like blow up.
I know, right?
Dude, we gotta like sacrifice a goat next to this. Dude, really? Oh. Jump over that, Tristan.
Oh, jump over, yeah, jump over.
I'm not down.
Oh
my god, it's out of control.
It's like catching the Roman candles on fire.
That's it. Fingers are overrated.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
I told you it's gonna.
Oh my god!